Block pitch now. Number 22 wide open. From the rainbow territory, no good. Big rebound. Offensive rebound. Number 28. After step back moving. 10 on the shot clock. No good again. Number 19. Take attempt. No good again. Number 3 this time. Almost losing. 6 not moving. Heavy traffic. Court to court move. What a move. A move. Number 22, Francisco, inside pass. Turnover. Too high.
Hindi na pa ng mata. Kita-kita kagad yung mga pangalan.
Number 2, inside pass. Reverse. Back-to-back point now by Vicente. Ball, tumatak muli mga nakaberte. Pagkakataon na muli, number 18 again. No, good this time. Sila naman ang tumatakbuhan, mga nakabula. Kantang tira. Power move to the basket is good. Para de la Cruz. Acrobatic trisan, Bordeaux. MYO still on top, 70-50. MYO still on top by 22 points.
Sali siya yung berte. MYO.
Time left remaining 8 minutes and 13 seconds. In third. Number 28. Foul. Number 20. First personal foul by Bernadette. Meanwhile, Francisco for free throw in and out. First team foul. Second free throw by Francisco is no good again. Number 2. Ganda na naman galaw. Bata, saan ka pupunta? Hindi ka po pwede rito. That's block brought to you by Tapal Alcatran. Dikit na dikit, kapit na kapit. Baseline inbound now. Wide open. Ini na offensive put back there for 2. Number 16, takes that move. Ayan, the maneuvers now on the board. Back to a point, sir. Still. Bernadette. Is that the move? No good. Kanya pa rin ang bola. Yes. Baba ang kalaman. Pwede ba ito? Mukhang bumagalit ang mga tactical. MYO still on top. 7 minutes and 10 seconds. This is only the third. Number 22. Ortega. Inside pass to number 15. Too high. Bridges on run. Salazar. Yes! Salazar team now increasing the lead. They're cruising the lead, drummer. 58-72. Baba sa labing apat. Uy, pamatay sunog. Team the rest. Hatid sa atin ng numero 22. Babawi, Reyes. Bakit hindi? Sabi ni Reyes, why not? Anong galaw yan? Nagkakapisayar pero wala. Masok, upet ito ba? Number 19, running for graduation. Running for ready, put personal foul. Laksa back in action. Time left remaining 6 minutes and 20. Edsada, from the move. Yes, violation, tilit na galaw. Time left remaining 6 minutes and 10 seconds. Kuwasa mo, MYO. Number, kinaliwa pa, hindi masok. Number 6, isa pa nga. There we go, Disan.
Second.
Pangalawa na yan. First team foul, second foul. Samantala, pumasok unang tira ni Ortega, walang problema. First free throw is not a problem. He makes, how about the second free throw? Good again. 2 out by Ortega. Less than 6 minutes. He's on his third. Number 3. Uy, talaga naman yung nilipad. Parang panabot. Highlight move. Number 3, sumubog sa tres. Wala. Big rebound. Cut through on run. Number 18. Almost 16. Turn around jumper coming from number 18 is good. Baba sa labing dalawa. Yes, pamatay din ka naman. And 1. Number 18, green foul. Substitution. Number 18, also 4th personal foul. Also warning for graduation. Bonus free throw. Bonus free throw. No good. Big rebound, another opportunity. Number 13, looking for his teammates. Waiting for you, man. Inside pass, pagpang-ikot ng bola, wala. Alawat rebound. Sila naman, ang may taon yun. Number 3. Ay! Parang mga vampire, pagdaan. Grabe ito mga mamang ko. Ang lalakas ng mga resistensya.
Alam niyo, una kayong pasaport kung ayaw masakot. Ha? Alam niya ang ano eh.
Number 3. Reyes, sumubok muli. Airball. Less than 5 minutes, 4 minutes and 56. He's only the third period. Number 30 now. Number 16. Wide open. In and out. Defensive put back again for number 2. Nagpapakita na ng muscle. Laksa. Side step moving. The worm. Number. Reyes. Together. Beautiful move. Ball for time no good. Another opportunity. Number 10. Too strong. MYO on run. Number 13. By 2. And 1. Basket is count. Plus a foul to number 13. Reyes. Substitution. Third personal foul now by number 13. Reyes. Meanwhile, Arevalo back in action. Bonus free throw.
I-repress mo lang ba kaya ako po ha? Ha? Nanilso na?
Number 13. Short. Time left remaining 4 minutes. 10 seconds. At the third. He's only the third period. Wide open. No good. Last touch same other. Last touch with the green shoe. Waiting for his teammate. Looking for the open man. Chara, no good. Put up on. Number 18, now on the run. Who's on the move? 6. Yes, for 2. Made away move. For up to 10. For number 18. Down to 18. 785. MYO is still on top. Wide open. Doon ko na ba kanina pa rin ang bola? Another opportunity. Turn on the shot clock. Plaka po. Sabay po. Alam na lang yan. Pati ako napatingin sa pagbilang niya. Muntik ko lang hindi makita yun. Wala mo. Highlights po coming from the maneuvers. New play. Bumawi. Ability. Siya naman ang magpapakitang dinas. Bakit hindi? No. Yes. Time out. Following Salamangan. NYO. Still on top. Reyes now. Back to Reyes. Against 0. Number 3. Penalty shot clock. 82. No good. Red shot on run. Babayu. Easy 2 points. The reverse. Using the glass. Less than 2 minutes. Substitution. Vera back in action. Number 0. Second personal foul. 15 foul. Mahirap na galaw. Suicide move. Pangatlo na yun. 13 foul. Yes. Time left remaining. 1 minute and 30. The Sindicato Superman. Inside pass. Inside the paint. Coming from Agustin.
Sa Goldilocks, meron.
Reyes.
Oh, sarap yung
Gandang basa. Wide open. All alone. Great assist. Ezra now. 20 big points still. MYO. Sindicato. Gandang basa upas. Pero ma-anticipate yan. Tumatakbo ngayon. Salisbury team. Gives you now 1 run. Number 20. Almost losing. 50%. Tumira. Uwaya. Unselfish move. Eto na ngayon. Tumira. Pabayu. Pabayu. Only 40 seconds. Still again. Another turnover. 32 seconds. 15 seconds on the shot clock. 12 seconds to choose. The move. Shot clock is off. Only 18 seconds. Play hit again. Finally. 8 seconds. Sindicato Superman. Mukhang maubusan na kayo ng oras yan. Saling pagbabalik. Inbounding. Receiving. Reyes. Against number 6. Number 11. Attempt. Nabuk. Reverse. Nabuk again. Back up to rebound. We have a whistle there. With a call by the referee number 20. Youth ball foul. Pangatlo na yan. Third personal foul. First team foul. Ezra. Tuhera. Agustin. Take. Zira! Putang tumatawag ngayon mga nakasete. Salizu. Silan. Try ka open for goal. Sa kalaman sa labing agatin po ulit dahil ating dalawa na lang. Mukhang nakabalik na rin o. Pwede pa to.
Nagkatubig pa. Ha?
Wide open, wala.
Ha? Unang post pa lang, hanga na ako yun. Ito hanga na ako. Ito naktas pa kayo.
Pass break play. Matatagod yan ang berlati. Tumiwas tayo, patay ang buti kayo. Bagsak dalawa. Number 3. Number 0. Isolation play. Zigzag move. Attack in the basket. May foul. Numero 0. Bigyan ng foul. Pangatlo mo na yan. Third personal foul now by Escadera. Escadera, third personal foul. First free throw is good. How about the second free throw? Baba ang kalamangan sa 11 na lang yan. Pwede pa to. Second free throw is in and out. Uy, laki break! Same ball, sa territory. Pagkakataon ng mga Rabete. Uy, bakit pinalibag? Anong nangyari? Akala niya doon pa bola niya. Kagigising lang kasi ito partner. Medyo nalimpungatan. 8 minutes and 37 seconds. Where now? Is slowly moving. Who's on the move? Agustin. Has the rapid. Has a good his ball. Number 46. 12-minute shot clock. Number 3. He's on the move. Has a traffic. Great defense now. Sunny team on run. 3-1-1. Time on the reverse. Number 3. Baba ka lang mga single digit point lead now. Down to 9 point lead. 8 minutes. Suwera. Full of stopper. Using the last pamatay sulog. 21 point lead number. Labing. Bigayong isa pa pala ito. Sorry. Medyo malabo na mata na takot, partner. Suwera. Wala. Step back moving. 7 minutes and 40. 40 na lang. 7 minutes na lang at 4 segundo. Arevalo. Too strong. Time left remaining 7 minutes and 25. No good. Escadera. Yes, put. 7 minutes.
Time out now.
Inbounding, Edusada. Number 20 now receiving. Looking for his teammate. Edusada now. He's on the move. Attack. Bergantiyo. Ito din. Sinisip-sip niya yung sarili nila. 82 na. 82. 103. Samantala. Francisco. Sumubok sa 3. Wala. Kanina pa rin yung pera. Wala pa rin. Escadera. Ralo. Purdue. Back-to-back points by Edusada. Wala pa rin. Uy, wrong send. Yes, Purdue. Number 20. Ball. Time left remaining 5 minutes and 53.
Baka mausog mo yan, tatay, ha? Ha? Baka mausog mo. Pinapa nga ako, mayroong set pa eh. Parang ano eh, selfie mo lang muna ako. Mausog mo yan, tay.
Time left remaining 5 minutes and 30. Last game namin, magtangtahanda na kayo. Pagkatapos ito, meron pa kita. Samantala, number 3. Diretso. Patuloy na dinadagdagan ng mga nakapula kanilang kanamangan. 107. Umakyat na sa isang daang puntos. Masyado mabilis. Substitution. Number 6. Edwin Sada now. Bring up Taylor. 2. 6 at move. Wah, move. Wala kanya pa rin. Talaga naman. Sada. Japan Jubers. Meanwhile, walang attack. Umilakot. Number 18, speed moving Vicente. Walang attack. Na good. 22, 16. At the corner. Wide open. Bingo. Oh, no stress coming from Francisco. Welcome Shafra. Save Cabo Gather. Roll it on back to you. 112-86. Number 22. Unang portfolio. First personal foul. Third team foul. Airball, Taylor. Yes, sir. Using the right hand. Vicente. Bumawi. No good. Open up violation. Time left remaining 3 minutes and 15 in the ball game. 3 minutes and 15. 3 minuto, 15 segundo. Ang layo niyan. Good. Again, 3 points, Francisco Red Hot Chili. Still again. Number 20 committed foul. 1 in point graduation. Receive foul. Francisco Escadera. No good. Lucky break. Another opportunity. Escadera for 2. Ortega rather. Ortega now. Who's on the move? On alone. Back-to-back points there by Mr. Ortega now was on the board. We're entering now the twilight zone. Last 2 minutes. This last 2 minutes brought to by Emperador Lights. Going lights ang buhay. No good. Anusada to number 18 Vicente. Pass to number 20. To number 11. 12 for the shot clock. Attacking the basket. Yes, for 2. Francisco. In out, but number 16 is there for the offensive putback for 2. Reyes. No good. Edusada. No good again. Less than a minute, only 52 seconds in the ball game. Well, on the shot clock. 10 seconds to shoot. 8 seconds on the shot clock. Time left remaining only 36 seconds in the ball game.